Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a walk-around, startup, and drive video of this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Now, this is a real 138 Super Sport Chevelle. It does have the numbers matching 396 engine under the hood, and it is the correct paint code Royal Purple. This car has power steering, it has power brakes, it has vintage air conditioning, has a brand new set of rally wheels with a brand new set of Coker Redline tires. This car has been a frame-off restoration. It has 7 miles on it since completion. So this is a fresh build. It is a beautiful car. The paint, body, and interior in this car are gorgeous. Everything is new, all new seals, all new weather strips. I don't know if they replaced the chrome rear bumper or they put a new one on it, but the rear bumper is definitely new badging, new emblems, new door handles, new lock cylinders, new glass, all new interior. Seats, the seats are so comfortable in this car. They put just the right amount of foam in them. Dash pad, retro radio, 4-speed on the floor, center console, package tray, sail panels, headliner, seat belts. I mean, they did it all in this car. You'll see the undercarriage pictures on our website. This is a very high-end build. The paint's super slick on this thing. This door needs a little bit of adjusting, yet the lock is just a little bit too tight. But that's what you're gonna have, that stuff with 7 miles on the restoration. We think we got all the bugs worked out of it, but you'll find a couple things. This car really needs to get out on the road and get driven because it wants to sit here and load up because it hasn't been driven. Left turn, right turn, all the gauges work, radio works, wipers work. Get it out on the highway. All the front lights work as well. We'll get her out on the highway and go blow some smoke with her. Needs to have the counter burn out of her. 7.3 miles on the complete restoration. Transmission shifts flawlessly. Speedometer works. All the gauges work. This is a nice tight car. Oh shit. Ah, I think he got him, didn't he?
Yup.
We don't like to see that.
At least we missed.
I can't believe you said that. Oh, at least we missed it. Oh yeah, we missed it.
We did our part.
Yeah, we have. I guess, I guess maybe. We did our part, we didn't hit him. If you didn't see that, I'm not sure if you did on the camera, a cat went flying right across the road right in front of us.
I thought it was a skunk. It might have been a cat.
It was a cat. It was definitely a cat, dude. So anyway, we missed the cat, but he's back there flopping alongside the road. Well, I mean, am I wrong?
I don't think that's YouTube friendly.
What?
I don't think that's YouTube friendly. I'm not gonna answer that. Oh, man.
Here we go. Alright, let's go.
Let's end the video of the week off with this.
Here we go.